Good day, everyone. You got the Bub031 here again, and we're going to be going over another review. But this time, it's going to be a first-time review for a company coming out with their first product. I'm going to be talking about the NSC 6400 cubic foot scrap and trash gondola that has come out by Otter Valley Railroad. We're going to go over the details of this car and the rolling resistance of this car, as well what numbers and what schemes you can get, and as well what they're coming out with in the future. So I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy. So now we're going to be looking over this car. So this is the NSC 6400 cubic foot scrap and trash gondola from Otter Valley Railroad. Otter Valley Railroad is a hobby shop that is down in southern Ontario. They are a distributor for getting trains, model railroad stuff from all the brands across the area. But this is a first for them, as this is their first own product that they're trying to put out into the market. And here we have, so I can tell you right now is that one of these cars will cost you $64.99, or you can get a six-pack of $349.99. And that's what I did. I actually did get myself a six-pack. And as well, you can get so many different schemes and so many variants. And as you can see here, just let me move this out of the way. So these are the variants you can get. You can get the AMX 1100, the 140 series, the 2300 series, the 16,000 series from Cadex, the CMBX 1600 series, the DEAX 11,000 series, the Cardella early series, the Cardella middle series. There's also, you can get the IWXX 220,000 series, the Oak Ridge series, the Win X series, the OFOX series, and you can get black scheme unlettered and gray scheme unlettered. There is a lot of cars and a lot of road numbers just out of this batch. And as well, not only that, they are coming out with more. They're coming out with a 6,000 series and a bulkhead pipe car. So, all in all, we're going to take a look at the box. So, this is their color scheme, blue and yellow from OBR. Nice little bit of history up there. And as well, they actually do have a story on the back of the car. And if you guys want, there's a QR code there to also scan. All right. So we're going to open up the car. And we're going to pull it out of the package. And we'll go from there. So I just pulled the car out of the package. It comes basically in a clear plastic wrap and a clamshell piece that locks it in together. Also, with the car, you get an extra pair of roller bearing caps, as you can see there, just in case you lose some in the near future. And we'll go over the 6400 series. So, the NSC 6400 series cubic foot gondola is typically used in the trash and scrap metal industry across North America. These cars are typically added to mixed manifest trains, service, and are also found between scrap yards, resellers, and steel plants. This is actually what I'm going to be using for one of my modules later on. So, let's move on to the car. So, this is the AMIX with the big AIM black logo scheme. I have seen these in real life on a couple of rail fanning videos, on a couple of mixed manifests. Alright, so let's go to the end here. So we got, let me get my pointer. So as you can see here, the coupler on this is actually the same style of coupler as what came on the Aurora Miniatures SD60F. I will try them out later. I just don't have a layout at the moment right now. And I just got these after my the club meet there that just happened last weekend. So as you can see, reporting marks on the front and on the rear of the car with the car number. You got the air hose underneath, right there, and you also got the coupler hand lever to release. Inside, there's actually a big weight. You can hear it right there. So this car will be heavy enough empty, and if you want, it's got so much you can actually put a load in. And as you can see along the car, very, very crisp lettering, and including the number right on the trucks. Like, look at that. You can actually read the truck number right there, no issues. Got your logo there up on the side. You also got your reflective marks here along the side of the car. Big AIM logo on the side. You got Otter Valley OVR trains on the bottom. The trucks and the piping detail is so crisp. It is insane. They did a fantastic job on the car. Of course, on this end, you got your brake wheel added detail as well. And every grab iron here is individually applied. There's your coupler. Right there. And as well, the roller bearings move. Very, very good weighted car. Just in my hands as we see it right now. Very amazing car. Alright, I'm going to get a small piece of track, and we'll just see the rolling resistance with this. Okay, I also decided to pull out the AIM X 140 series. I do have the 141 series as well. Basically, we'll go over, there are actually a lot of different, you could see the reporting marks are a little bit different, but not only that, the logo for National Steel Car is actually in different spots. And you could just see a little bit more detail and a little bit more information. So everything is completely legible on this car. Now, as you can see with this style of AIM, you can see that the coupler release handle is actually gray compared to being bright blue. But all in all, they look like a fantastic car. I can't wait to actually pull them on the layout. All right, now we're going to put them both on the track. So I now have both cars on the track, and just from feeling it alone, there's not much rolling resistance. As well, I was looking at it earlier from actually eye level with the coupler, and both couplers are basically at the right angle. I do have to see though how they are actually on pulling a train, and to see how they will actually act on the actual modular layout, because there's a lot of ups and downs. But all in all, great car. This is going to be great looking on the layout. Oh yeah, very smooth. Not much rolling resistance. This thing is awesome. Okay, we're going to wrap this up. So we're going to wrap up this review. All in all, fantastic car. First time ever for the company, and first time ever basically knocking it out of the park. Lorne, you and your team did a fantastic job. I do have a couple of 6000s on order, so we'll see how those are. Apparently the 6000s are going to be with KD couplers instead of these couplers, so we'll see that in the future. We'll do a comparison. But all in all, fantastic car. My suggestion to you, everyone, is to go to ovrtrains.com, check out these cars for yourselves, and try to get some before they're all gone, because these are going out like hotcakes. And that's going to be it for me, everyone. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.